Yep, Shabashita has been in another scandal after his performance at Bochum, whereby they ended up not seeing eye to eye with the fans and they ended up throwing stones at his car, guys. Immediately after the incident happened, the Licompo artist shared this on his Facebook. They broke my car in Bochum. I'm sure people are there. This is an achievement. They call it truth. They are happy. Yeah, right. Yeah, guys, this is what he shared on his Facebook page, guys. Ukukhombisa ukuthi akaphathekanga kahle neze ngalesimo esimehlele eBochum.
Oh shit!
Feel free to share your opinion down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon for more latest news, guys. I'll see you on the next one.